Molweni, which is hello. Igama lam ndinguPhumlani. That is, my name is Phumlani. Working at Stellenbosch University, teaching IsiXhosa, one of the 11 official languages of South Africa. I'm here teaching to the international students how to speak IsiXhosa when they are around. As you're gonna be coming to World Cup as well, you may be able to say a few things in IsiXhosa if you want. It's characterized by basic clicks. We've got 3 basic clicks. C, which is we have got X, which is and we've got Q, which is well, how do you greet someone for the first time? When greeting someone IsiXhosa, at any time of the day, you always say molo. Molo. Molo for one person. But for 2 people and millions, you say molweni. Molo for one, molweni for many. But the person will respond by saying away, which means yes, I acknowledge your greeting. How to say how are you? You see, we always speak in singular, because when you say how are you, you say unjani, unjani. But if you speak to more than one, you will say ninjani, which is literally you are how are you? Now responding again in singular, you want to say I'm fine, ndiphilile, ndiphilile. But for the plural, instead of ndi, you say siphilile. Ndiphilile for one, siphilile for many. You want to know more about this person. You want to ask, where do you stay? Uhlala phi? Think of a piece of a meat. When you put in a frying pan and then you put the oil, it will say the HL sound. Uhlala phi? The person will respond by saying ndihlala, ndihlala which means I stay, I live in or at. That ndihlala that is standing in the place of in or at, due to terminology shortage in IsiXhosa. Now you want to find out where do you come from? Uvela phi? Uvela phi? You come from where? The person will respond saying ndivela USA, ndivela England, ndivela France. But me, mna ndivela South Africa. Lastly, you say to a person, you want to say thank you, just say enkosi. Please, not inkosi, because it will mean something else. As an aeroplane, enkosi. Lastly, hamba kakuhle, goodbye. The one who's remaining will say sala kakuhle. Hamba kakuhle, sala kakuhle. Hamba, go well, sala, remain well. I have written this book for those who want to learn IsiXhosa. It is divided into 2 sections. The section 1 is about lessons, how to greet, how the weather, the days of the week. How can you tell somebody about your personal information?